Mortgage rates didn't crash, but Florida's housing market just woke up. Here's what today's rates mean for buyers and sellers heading into 2026. Your national mortgage rate snapshot. Let's start with the numbers everyone's searching for. The average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is 6.09%, slightly higher than last week, but nearly a full percentage point lower than this time last year. The 15-year fixed rate sits at 5.44%, also well below the 2024 level. These moves might feel small, but they matter. Here's the key insight economists agree on. Mortgage rates don't need to crash to change buyer behavior. Even modest declines unlock pent-up demand, especially in rate-sensitive markets like Florida. But what's driving rate movement right now? Rates continue tracking the 10-year Treasury yield, which recently climbed to 4.27% due to geopolitical tensions and global bond volatility. Translation: short-term fluctuations are normal, but the long-term trend is stabilizing, not spiraling. Florida economists now point to mortgage rates as the main catalyst behind the state's improving housing momentum. Since mid-2025, rates eased from about 6.8% down to low 6% range, triggering the first consistent rise in monthly sales since 2022. What's changed across Florida? Sales activity is rising consistently. Time on market is leveling out. Inventory growth is slowing as homes are absorbed. And most importantly, this improvement is broad-based, not seasonal. Economists see no reason for pessimism heading into 2026, with continued stabilization expected into the spring buying season. Now for our local market spotlight, we'll focus on Brandon and Lithia. Zooming into Brandon because this market is tightening fast. The month of supply in Brandon is 3.02, which is down 9% month over month, with a median sold price of $370,000. The median days on market is 37. This is faster absorption, not distress. The top 5 homebuyer attractions to Brandon: 1. Proximity to Tampa Bay and employment hubs. 2. Strong schools and family appeal. 3. Shopping and dining, community spaces. 4. Outdoor parks and recreation, parks and trails. 5. Family sports and recreation, youth leagues, sports complexes, and active lifestyle amenities. Now, let's talk Lithia, where opportunity is starting to open. In Lithia, we see the months of supply at just 2.68, even though it's up 16% year over year, with a median sold price of $526,000. With the median days on market at 43, there's slightly more inventory plus softer pricing, which equals a strategic buying window. The top 5 homebuyer attractions to Lithia are: 1. Outdoor adventure and nature. 2. Natural springs and water recreation. 3. Master plan living. 4. Rural space with city access. Larger lots and open space without sacrificing Tampa proximity. And 5. Community and local events, runs, festivals, and neighborhood traditions. Mortgage rates are stabilizing, Florida sales are rising, and local markets like Brandon and Lithia are shifting, not crashing. For buyers, this is about timing and strategy. For sellers, pricing correctly in a stabilizing market is everything. If you want a hyper-local breakdown for your neighborhood or a personalized rate strategy, drop a comment and reach out. This is your Monday Mortgage and Market Update. I'll see you on the next video.